Hi, this is Luton Total Parts Pro. Today for 2019 Hyundai I30, stock number 7293. It's running from the 3rd 2017 to the 12th 2023. It's a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,